Hi there, I'm Jess from jcphotographymallorca.com and welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you the beautiful moments you can capture at a cocktail party through the lens of a Mallorca-based photographer. So what are the best things you can capture at a cocktail party? Well, let's explore. First and foremost, it's essential to capture the ambience, the laughter, the chatter and the clinking of the glasses. These candid moments embody the spirit of the celebration and creates lasting memories for the couple and the guests. Next, you want to focus on the details. The exquisite floral arrangements, the elegantly plated food and cocktails that reflect on the couple's personality. These elements add depth and character to your photographs and allowing you to tell a beautiful story throughout the day. Capture the interactions between the guests, the hugs, the shared jokes, and them stolen looks between the couple. So as we embark on this journey together, I invite you to subscribe and like the video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's celebrate love, laughter and the magic of Mallorca one frame at a time. With my trusty 24-70 lens, I can navigate effortlessly from portrait 8 shots to candid moments. And now I just want to list off a few more things you can capture at a party by sharing with you some photos. Emotional moments. Keep an eye out for tender moments between the couple and their loved ones. Entertainment. If there is live music or entertainment during the cocktail hour, be sure to capture the performance in action and the guests enjoying the festivities. Room reactions. Don't forget to capture the couple's reactions as they soak the joy and excitement of their special day and how excited they are.
And I don't know what to do. I say this stuff like I'm into you, but is it even true? Don't I mess a lose?
These moments that you can capture are truly magical and are worth preserving for generations to come. And if you're a fellow photographer seeking inspiration and a community, don't forget to join our vibrant Facebook community called Women in Business Mallorca, where you can share your business and we can all talk about our work together. So if you put a comment down below saying you want to join my Women in Business Mallorca group, please share a comment below so I know to accept you. And also click the link in the description and it will take you right to that group. And also don't forget to visit my website jcphotographymallorca.com. If you're coming to Mallorca and you want to book a photo shoot with me, head over to my website and there'll be all the information on there that you'll need. And I'll see you in this video over here talking about the best romantic proposal places in Mallorca.